what Spanish speakers say after a sneeze. First option, the religious one. We can say Jesús after a sneeze, and it literally means Jesus. And this comes from the tradition of asking for protection after a sneeze. But many people in Spain, they are just so used to say it and don't give a religious sense. Second option, the neutral one. You can say Salud, meaning health, and this is non-religious and it is super common to use it in Spain. I'm very curious, how do you say it in your countries when someone sneezes? Leave it in the comments and follow Sorbito Spanish for more Spanish tips like this. Love you guys. Adios.